Disney has secretly been developing lifelike robots to take over the stunts of all your favorite actors. Welcome to the future of Hollywood. No longer will actors and stunt specialists need to perform dangerous feats. Instead, these autonomous and self-correcting robots will be used. They might even make their way onto the big screen, replacing your favorite actors. This is a big idea for the future of entertainment, but will it happen? Could these robots become the next Oscar winners? And is Disney trying to turn into the next Boston Dynamics? Since the 1960s, Disney has been using robots in its theme parks, and the robots have gotten more advanced. In 2021, they debuted a Stuntronic robot. It started as this metal brick with sensors in it. Then it became the Stickman, a Z-shaped robot that could control and move its orientation. Now it has become this. Wow. This stunt double animated device is independent and makes corrections on the fly. It even soars through the air, dipping, diving, and striking your favorite superhero pose. Its movements are incredibly lifelike. This person soaring through the air isn't a person at all. It's a Stuntronic. And its lifelike movements make us wonder, will these robots ever come to Hollywood? Well, it's already happening, sort of. Star Wars has recently used Boston Dynamics robots. You can see them running around right here. But is the Stuntronic robot being used? Well, that hasn't happened yet, although there is plenty of speculation that these robots could replace stunt doubles. But before that begins to happen, studios would use these robots to test stunts. Instead of a stunt actor getting beat up in multiple takes, the Stuntronic could keep performing until the director is happy with what they have. But these Disney robots won't be limited to just stunts. Disney is also working on technology that could replace actors. Get ready for Iron Man 4 starring Robert Downey Jr. Why? Because Disney is creating robots that respond dynamically and emotionally to conversations. Disney built them for its theme parks and as lifelike characters that can interact. But don't worry about them replacing human employees at the park. Instead, the company plans to use them as characters humans can't play. Although we haven't seen direct examples of this tech yet, it's no secret that Disney robots are getting more and more advanced. And with the company investing in de-aging and deep fake tech, how long could it be until we see the next big blockbuster co-starring a robot? But are these Disney robots taking people's jobs right now? Well, we're going to give that a 10% on the probability rating. After all, these robots do particular tasks, stunt work, and acting, so unless you're in those professions, you shouldn't have much to worry about. Plus, Disney is very much in the business of making entertainment. Although their robots are impressive, I don't expect them to be working in factories anytime soon. So, what do you think? Do you agree with our rating? Or are you worried that these Disney robots will slowly take over your job? You know, something else that might take over is the metaverse. We'll break it down for you in the next episode of Future Thinking.